Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Barina CD, stock reference number 5717. The shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2016. It has an F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, the radiator grille, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, a tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has one small dent, right tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has two small dents, right front door has one small dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.